Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the Jump to question feature in the form and survey. Now I've already prepared a form, and let me just go ahead and dive into that and show you what my form looks like. Okay, so I have this form titled Party Planning Committee, and I have just 3 simple questions. Question 1 asks the user if they're going to be able to attend an after party, and question 2 asks if they're going to be attending, what item they'll want to bring along. And question 3 asks a new question whether they're able to help with invitations, yes or no. So I obviously don't need to ask, or question number 2 does not pertain to someone not going to the after party. So what we would want to do is skip that question based on the answer to number 1. And that's what our Jump To feature does. So let's go into Webtools. And I will go into my questions where I already have these questions written out. Now, there are 3 things that are required to allow Jump To become an option. 1, you have to have multiple pages in your form. And 2, you're editing a question before the page break. And 3, the question is either a radio or checkbox. So I'm going to insert page breaks, which puts each question on its own page. I'm just going to choose this insert all page breaks. You can also choose the add a page. That will add a page separator like such. And I'm going to actually insert all page breaks, which puts one in between each question. Okay. Now that I have those in place, I should be able to edit the question before this page break. I want to skip page 2 and go on to page 3 if the user is not able to attend. So now that I have this set up in this way, I go into edit my question, and you will see that Jump To a page becomes available here. So if they answer no, I want to go to page 3. And if they answer maybe, I don't want to ask them what they're going to bring either. I just kind of wanted to catalog someone in the data if they were planning on maybe attending. So we're going to send them to page 3 if they say maybe also. Let's go ahead and save. And we're going to go ahead and view the form again. Okay, now you see we've got paging controls, and we've got, are you able to attend a party? Let's just say yes. That should take me to my second page. Great. What type of item will you be bringing? Well, I'd say I'm going to bring a gift. So let's go back and choose a different answer. Say no, I'm not going to attend. This should skip page 2. And it does. Are you available to help with invitations? So there you have it. That's basically the Jump To feature. You need those 3 things in place. So 1, you have to have multiple pages in your form so that you can skip a page. 2, you need to be editing a question before the page break. And 3, the question needs to either be a radio or select pull-down menu style question. The reason why that would be the case, those are the only types of questions that provide only one response.